All right, so I know I promised you guys a follow-up video from yesterday, and that's what I'm going to give you. Welcome to my dungeon. It's pretty gross down here. It's the unfinished side of the basement. It's where our dungeon laundry room is, and also our exercise equipment. So we've got a few things down here. It's kind of depressing, like I said yesterday, to work out down here, but it totally is just how it is. So maybe one day I'll be able to put up like actual walls and things, but clearly it's a basement. Our house is over, it's over 50 something years old. So it kind of comes with the territory. Back then they put all of the laundry rooms so they wouldn't leak and things. They put them in the basements. So my laundry area is kind of over off camera view, so you can't see that mess that is the laundry. And then the ceilings in older homes are much shorter. So like we've got all this vent work, things like that. So it's very hard to like finish it off, especially if you've got workout equipment that's a little bit above the floor. It just makes it hard, like especially for my husband, since he's 6'4", to work out. If we had, it would have to be a drop ceiling or a ceiling that would just kind of have these funky looking boxes that are boxed in. So it's not the most pretty workout area, and it's very depressing to be down here. But once you get started and once you like do working out, those endorphins get going and you're feeling much better about life and what we're going through right now. So I told you guys yesterday, if you watched the video yesterday, we did the at-home stair climber, which I don't know, I was out of breath. I was feeling it today. I don't know if you guys felt it, if you actually did the stair climber or used like a step stool, if you felt it today, but my legs, I'm feeling it. So that's just, let's get started. Let's get started on today's at-home regular mom workout. What if you don't have weights? How are you gonna like keep your arms toned, but also kind of like build some muscle everywhere else? I'm gonna show you. So I do have some kettlebells and a few other weights that are kind of over there up against the wall. So kettlebells are great. This is only a 5-pounder. They're great to have just to kind of like work these muscles in here and just kind of do different movements with. You can kind of go like this, kind of totally not a professional here, but I'm giving you like some ideas. You can kind of swing like that. You can like do squats that are like this and squat down, up, down, up, down, up. And like about, I don't know, probably like 15 reps of those. So yeah, I do like kettlebells because I feel like I have, it's totally not the professional way to like explain it, but I like that I have support, being able to hold both hands here and here. I like that it's weighted perfectly in the center. Of course you can, if you had another one, which I do, but I'm just showing you with one, you can kind of just go like this with your kettlebells. You can go out. Got the bad shoulder on this side, so I have to be more careful. You can kind of go out with it. Lots of different things with the kettlebell and other weights too. Like you can do other things with other weights, but I'm showing you with the kettlebell because I'm going to show you what to do if you don't have a kettlebell. So I was looking around and I was kind of thinking, what do I have around the house that's weighted that would work? Like, what do I have? The laundry room's right here. So I have my laundry detergent. And it's weighted perfect if you kind of hold it center. It is heavier, I feel like, than my 5-pounder. So obviously I haven't been doing enough laundry to make this lighter. But you can totally use this like you would a kettlebell. You can go up. You can go to the side, turn. And it's just that added weight on your arms. Like I said, I don't know the professional science of it all, but it's that added weight that you're just kind of like holding while you do these movements. So obviously, if you don't have a kettlebell, moms, you have no excuse. I'm sure you have something like this at your home. You also have something probably around the house that is weighted like so. So just look around your house, find things that are going to work for you. So with this, what those things that I showed you with the kettlebell, where we kind of went back like this, you can totally do with your laundry detergent. You can kind of just go back. So let's do like a squat. Like this. Five. And then, yes, Ivy. I'm not. Give me a few minutes. Do you want to come help? Come help. Okay. All right. So Ivy's going to come help me. All right. Do you want to do it with the kettlebell? Because it's kind of light. Do you want to pick up the kettlebell?
Yeah.
Pick up the yellow. All right. Ivy's still in her pajamas. I kind of am too. I just wear workout stuff to sleep in. All right, so we are going to do this. So Ivy's going to show you. Ivy, do this like you would with the kettlebell. Kind of go like this. Come into view. And you just kind of swing it back behind you. Okay? So, but you don't need a kettlebell. You can totally use something like this. So we're going to do the squats that are like this. So grab your laundry detergent, ladies. We're going to do this. We're going to do this, right? If you haven't grabbed it already, grab a laundry detergent, grab a kettlebell if you have one, grab whatever it is that you have, and we'll get going. Ready? All right, so show how you would do the kettlebell. You go like this, and you kind of go back. Yeah, just like that. But with the laundry detergent, we can do this, like this. All right, so we're going to do 15 of the squats with our laundry detergent. And you could do the kettlebell if you want. Okay? All right, so we're going to squat like this, but you got to do 15 of them. Ready? So do about, I don't know, do they always say like shoulder length apart? I think something like that. So we're going to squat, and we're going to lift up, and we're going to squat, and we're going to lift up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I'm done.
You're done? You're not done.
Yeah.
10.
Yeah, I'm done.
11. 12.
I'm done.
13.
I'm done.
14. Did you do 15?
Yeah.
15. Okay.
It's super fast mode.
It's super fast mode. Woo! I'm out of breath again.
I'm not.
You're not. Are you done? Do you want to do more, or you're done?
I'm done.
You can say goodbye. Say bye to everybody. All right. So then we're going to do from the side. We're going to do from the side. Do your squat kind of like this. And remember how I showed you on the kettlebell, where you can kind of go back. Just grip your laundry detergent like this, if you don't have a kettlebell. And just kind of go back. 2. Yes. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. I'm going to just do 10 of those. just so I'm even, because I do have a bad shoulder. So I know my other shoulder is gonna not be able to do probably the 15. All right. All right, so we'll go like this. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. So those are just some things that are any of the kettlebell exercises that you look up online. There's tons on YouTube. Like I said, you can totally use a laundry detergent instead. So there's other ones that I would do with the kettlebell that would be kind of like reaching back and then pushing out. Reaching back, pushing out, reaching back, pushing out. You get the idea. So those are just some things that we moms can do at home if we don't have access to all the gym equipment and all the different kinds of weights. Like I said yesterday, we can do the stair climber on our stairs. We can do use a step stool to stair climb. Get outside and walk. It's been raining a lot here lately, so we haven't been able to do that. But definitely you can keep yourself in shape at home in my regular mom type of way with other equipment that you have, like just that's in your house. You don't have to have the kettlebells. If you don't have them, use what you got. So anyway, hopefully you enjoyed this. I honestly wasn't going to do another video today. I know I told you guys that I was going to do another video, and I woke up today just feeling blah and I'm just feeling down, like with everything that's going on in the world, and I'm just feeling not the greatest, right? And so I thought about it, and I talked to my husband, and I thought, you know what? I don't want to do a video. I'm just like feeling just really emotional, obviously. I'm getting emotional. Just with this new normal. I'm not adjusted to it yet, and am having a hard time. But I decided that maybe this would make me feel better. So, I'm feeling better. I know I'm emotional, but even just getting a little bit of exercise totally can help. It totally will make you feel better. It's just a really trying time right now. I think I'm gonna do some walking on the treadmill after, and just kind of keep those endorphins going and just kind of feel good, because it's who knows how many weeks, and it's just going to be hard. But there are things that we can do at home just to kind of keep ourselves feeling good and feeling connected. And I've just had a lot on my mind this week, like I'm sure everybody does. So let's try not to be scared, and we can all get through this, okay? All right, so tomorrow, let's do something tomorrow that's not the same. Like, maybe we'll just sit down, everybody grab a beverage, sit down, and we'll just, we'll have a chat. So, and I don't want it to be anything like a downer like this. I didn't want to end this video on a downer. It's going to be okay, you guys. We got this. But let's talk about, like, good stuff tomorrow. Like, let's, get on together and we'll just like chat about some good stuff. I don't know what that stuff is right now, but keep it positive. We can talk about movies we've watched. We can talk about television shows. We can even talk about The Bachelor, which is totally over now, but I'm still pretty like upset with Barb. So we can talk about that if you guys want to. Yeah, we can talk about anything really. Just let's not talk about that other thing. The thing that that's the biggest elephant in the room. I just want to avoid it tomorrow because I think it's hard. It makes it harder when I'm seeing everything on social media and just a lot of there's just a lot of information out there and a lot of scary information, and I'm not trying to put my head in the sand, but I'm getting the information that I know is accurate, and the rest I just have to kind of look away from because that is scary, and that's what leads to just panic and getting upset about things. So tomorrow, we're not going to talk. When we have our little chat where you grab your soda or whatever your beverage of choice is, we're not going to talk about that other thing. So let's do 2 p.m. Central Time tomorrow. If you can't catch it live, you can watch it later, but I would love to have you guys on live, and that way we can really chat, and I can kind of interact with you guys in that regard and answer, your questions and comments that are coming through. So tomorrow, 2 p.m. Central Time, we are going to gather to just have I don't know, what did I say? We could call it Seeing Dandy Social. We could just do a little social hour or 30 minutes, whatever you guys want to do. We can discuss whatever. Just not that thing, because I don't want to talk about it tomorrow at 2 p.m. But anyway, thanks for joining me, you guys. I hope these little workouts help you. Like I said, you don't need a kettlebell. If you've got one of these, you can do this. Do your stair climber again, or your step stool workout. Do it again. I mean, what else do you got to do? So, just do it. Just it will help. It definitely help. I know it helps. So, take care, guys. I'll see you tomorrow at 2 p.m. Central Time.